Hey. Yeah, what is it? I have something to ask you. What is it? Will you be my mate? Of course. I always liked you as well. Oh, look at them kissy. Out. Okay, fine. But the alpha, he wants me to tell you something. What is it? Yeah, what is it? He wants, you guys to go hunting. Okay, fine. Looks like you got yourself a new mate there, huh? Quiet. Alpha. Yes, Shadow and Sunny. What is it? You asked us to go hunting? Yeah, I did. Hunt something big. Hey guys, looks like you guys are a couple. I heard from Julius. Yep, I told them. What? Okay. We'll just go hunting. Okay, let's go. So they are a couple? Yeah, Julius told me. Are you sure they are a couple? Well, yeah, you told Alpha. He told me to bring them a message, and then I saw them cuddling in there. Okay. Guess we can allow it because they never had mates before. But yeah, whatever. I have a mate. You need to get yourself a mate. I don't know who to ask. I always thought Lily was beautiful. Maybe I could ask her. Lily. Yeah, what is it? I have something to ask you. Okay, what is it? Will you be my mate?